Ka kenhuni lekai kriket jong jela ka Meghalaya Cricket Association menta kesingi kala yo bandra ke nam job hadin bakal yang persya ka Arunachal Cricket Association ka bu ya ka target ke batang sau Kendairan. Ya ketika turnamen latip kum ka first North East Cricket Development Committee Senior Men's Interstate Friendship Tournament ya kebala peniat da ka Nagaland Cricket Association ya kebala penlong ha Sovima Cricket Ground ha Dimapur Nagaland. Haba pai kendir seketik jingi lekai ka Meghalaya Cricket Association hadin bakal job ya ke tos berkal ailat shwa ya ke Arunachal Cricket Association bantit shwa Henry kirangi lekai jong ke Arunachal kibu ya ke target ke basau Kendairan na ka khat kendai over bat dulut ya ki weekend onda hawala desa ke pali jong kirangi lekai ke Meghalaya bantin dak jingla jong ki bani lekai bah bat kilala ban pentam ya ke target bat ra ya ke nam job na ke Lempung. Abhishek Kumar ubri orang ilekai ke jela Meghalaya ulayo ban pediangnya ka khusnam kum orang ilekai bakensai na ke Lempung. Ha kene ke singilai don langru kino ilam ki bakentup ya Herato Sukhalu ubri Vice President jongka Nagaland Cricket Association, uba Reynolds Kharkamni ubri Vice President jongka Meghalaya Cricket Association, uba Edi Shela ubri Chairman jongka Ground and Infrastructure Committee ka Meghalaya Cricket Association, lembat kiwi-kiwi kino kitkam jongka Nagaland Cricket Association. Kumban syukdew hang ne khandian bah hagate ke Lempung ilekai kriket ki jela ki balawan bane simpenta ki kentup ye ki Hindu Tlik jela ki bakentup ye ke jela Meghalaya ke Nagaland ke Sikkim ke Mizoram ke Arunachal Pradesh bat ke jela Manipur bat ke jingtemu ke bahakman jong ke Lempung kalong bandang kentiu susu ye ke kami ilekai kriket ha ka than chate lammingi jong keri India bat banai lat ikirang ilekai bakin yo ye kalat ban ilekai bat ki pat ki players ki banabar jong ke jela.
Thank you, sir. We are all in one family, NECDC. Congratulations to the winning team. Other participating team win or lose. Our intention is our boys should get exposure. This was decided last year in the NECDC meeting. So as a result of this, we are together. So don't lose your heart that you lost today. You played the game. That is more important for us. Anyway, coming to the presentation of the man of the match. Today we have here with us Mr. Herato Sukhalu, the Vice President of Nagaland Cricket Association. He will be presenting the man of the match. I hope you all guess who will get. Abhishek for taking 5 wickets. Come, let's go.